On my way out of Winnipeg, I went to the Royal Canadian Mint. We weren't allowed to record the process inside, but it was really cool. I biked out to Falcon Lake where my grandparents had some friends, and I stayed the night with them. We had a nice visit, and I met the grandchildren too. Day 39, we're on our way into Ontario. It was so nice to see rocks and trees again after being in the prairies for so long. There was some seriously beautiful geology with interacting magmas. Incredible! After setting up my tent, it started raining and I had to dig a trench. This didn't help, however, and at 4 a.m. there was water under the tent. Incredibly, the inside was still dry though. Despite an abundance of mosquitoes, the Ontarian wilderness is really beautiful. Just past Ignis, I met two women also biking across Canada in different directions. I also met a guy biking across Canada from Tibet named Sangyal. He shared some delicious food with me and we had a nice visit. He's raising awareness for how China has treated Tibet. I soon arrived in Thunder Bay and visited a professor that I met a few months ago. She has a beautiful house from the early 1900s, and she showed me around the town. I could tell that at least one of the bearings of my front wheel had broken, so before leaving Thunder Bay, I took it apart and I fixed it. I also quickly replaced my chain as it was worn out. Just outside Thunder Bay, I stopped where Terry Fox finished his run, and then continued on my way to Nipigon. Along the way, I stopped at the Blue Point Amethyst mine and collected some amethyst. Just outside Nipigon were these beautiful red rock cliffs. As I got into Terrace Bay, I went to the Aguasabon Falls, and I met 2 other cyclists who were going the same direction as me. It was a bit foggy, but somewhat cleared up the next day. Me and the other 2 cyclists ended up biking together that afternoon, and then we camped together at White Lake. The next day I headed to White River, which is the birthplace of the bear that Winnie the Pooh is based on. Then I went to Wawa, where I met up with another person studying geology who my professor knew. I soon entered Lake Superior Provincial Park, which was gorgeous. I also stopped along the way to see some pictographs that were hundreds of years old.